Gemini, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading ngayong June 17 to 23, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Ayan. So let's see what's coming to you, Gemini. Happy birthday, happy solar return. I wish you all the best in life, happiness, success, good health. Ayan. So let's see what's up for this week sa mga Gemini. Okay, North Node. Future. You are focused on your future. Maaring ipaplano mo na yung mga gusto mong ma-achieve, yung gusto mong mga gawin for your future. Oh, mas seryoso kayo ngayon. Let's see ano pa. You have the 10th house, which is your career. Siguro yung iba sa inyo, you are reassessing your career right now. Chine-check nyo kung masaya ba kayo sa career nyo ngayon. Ito na ba yung gusto nyong gawin for the next 5 years, 10 years. At maaring meron kang journey, parang paglalakbay, bagong trabaho, bagong career, bagong business na susubukan mo. Ito ay near future eh. You have tension, square, semi-square, queen conks. Okay. So, possible na meron ka mga may experience na challenges sa pag-abot ng pangarap mo or mga goals mo. Okay? Kaya, importante na ikaw ay dedicated, determined na makuha mo yung goals mo. Okay? Kasi yung iba, pag nagkaroon na ng challenge, ayaw na. 'Di ba? Kasi naisip nila, baka hindi na nila magawa, matapos. Yung mabilis pang hinaan ng loob. Okay? So, ngayon, magkakaalaman kung talagang gaano kayo kaseryoso at determinado na makuha nyo yung gusto nyo. Okay? Especially in your career. Yung trabaho nyo ngayon. Let's see your overall energy for this week. You have the 10 of Wands. Oh, sobrang busy. Maraming responsibilities. Maraming gawain. So, siguro marami kayong asikasuhin this week. Manage your time, your energy, kasi nakakapagod rin naman kung pagsasabay-sabayin yung i-accomplish sa loob ng isang linggo. 'Di ba? So, kumbaga, yung priority, no? Kung ano yung urgent, kailangan talaga ng attention, yun ay unahin. Okay? Sunod yung important. Let's see your possible challenge. 9 of Swords. O, ayun na. Overthinking, stress, maraming iniisip. Ang tanong kasi is, makakatulong ba yun? Yung pag-overthink mo. 'Di ba? Hindi naman. Although, normal yan sa atin na magpanic na, oh my God, ang dami kong kailangang gawin, ang dami kong kailangang asikasuhin, ang daming responsibilities. Normal yun. Okay? But, ang importante dyan is, meron kang gagawing action. Paisa-isa. Okay? Kasi hindi mo mamamalayan, na-accomplish mo na pala yung isa. 'Di ba? One at a time. Kasi minsan na-overwhelm ka, masyado kang focus sa future, na nakakalimutan mo na yung present moment. 'Di ba? So, importante yung present moment. Dahil yan yung magdidictate ng future mo. Let's see your opportunity. You have the 8 of Swords. So, as an opportunity, this is breaking free from your limitations. So, meron ka ngayong kakayanan na umalis sa ganyang klaseng sitwasyon, mindset, no? Na baka parang nagwo-worry ka sa mga bagay or nag-aalala ka sa mga bagay na hindi naman talaga problema. Oo. 'Di ba? Chill ka lang, relax. Kasi when you're relaxed, when you're chilled, mas maraming ideas na papasok eh. At matatabunan niya anxiety, yung worries mo. Okay? Let's see your blessing. The blessing is the Fool. Wow. So, speaking of breaking free, this is freedom. So, I think gagawin mo yung makakaya mo para makaalis ka sa isang limitasyon. Okay? Na walang growth, walang improvement, para mas makagalaw ka. This is also a new beginning for you. So, pwedeng new opportunity sa trabaho, sa career, sa business. At ikaw na mismo yung gagawa ng paraan to make it happen. What is the Ten of Wands? The Sun. This is happiness, confidence, and strength. Alam nyo, kahit marami kayong responsibilities or kailangan asikasuhin this week, may sapat kayong lakas para matapos yan, magawa yan. So, don't you worry. What is the Nine of Swords? The Knight of Cups. Okay. Some of you, merong tulong na darating. Okay? Someone will cheer you up. Someone will make you feel good, no? Para matanggal yung stress na yan. And also, kung meron kang taong napagkakatiwalaan mo, pag nasasabihan mo ng mga rants mo sa buhay, yung mga someone who is willing to listen, makakabuti yan sa'yo. So, if you have a best friend or someone na you can talk to, ayan, pwede rin yung sarili mo, talk to yourself, no? I mean, there's nothing wrong with that. That's healthy. At least, you know, nalalabas mo yung nararamdaman mo, especially talking to God, no? Talking to your higher self. Let's see, what is the Eight of Swords? The King of Swords. Yes, this is analyzation. So, maaring ngayon, mas may opportunity ka na pag-aralan yung situation mo ngayon, pag-desisyonan yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin at hindi mo kailangan gawin. So, I think you are also cutting off people na sa tingin mo hindi na sila, nakakatulong sa pag-unlad mo. Instead, nagdadagdag sila ng stress mo. Okay, let's see what is the Fool. The Five of Cups. Alam niyo, iba sa inyo susugal na, no? When I say susugal, ito yung mga bagay na dati iniiwasan mong gawin kasi natatakot ka sa magiging resulta. Pero ngayon, gagawin mo na siya kasi mas importante sa'yo na malaman yung resulta kaysa sa hindi mo alam kung ano sanang nangyari kung sinubukan mo yon. Okay? This can be anything na gusto mong pasukin. Can be a relationship, trabaho, bagong business, anything about your career, your projects. Okay? So, you will be blessed with confidence, lakas ng loob, courage. So, money, career, finances, energy. Yung skills mo, mag-i-invest ka sa skills mo. Pwedeng meron kang bagong kaalaman na susubukan, explore, pag-aaralan. Yung iba sa inyo may pagkakataon na maging leader. Merong leadership role sa inyong trabaho, sa career, sa business. You have a decision to reconsider. So, meron kang napag-decision na before na pwede mo talagang i-reassess. Oo, kung tama ba yun, kung mas makakabuti ba sa'yo yun. Kasi kung hindi, pwedeng may babaguhin ka sa mga naging decisions mo. So, let's see your love life. Love life. Parang iba, change of direction. Lalo na sa career. Let's see, love life and family ng mga Gemini. Forgiveness. Meron kang patatawarin. This can be someone from the past, a family member, romantic partner, a friend, or even yung sarili mo. No, kasi minsan, we become too hard on ourselves na sinisisi natin yung sarili natin, may mga regrets tayo, but past is past. Tapos na yun, nangyari na yun. Ang importante, natuto ka dun, diba? Ooh, there's new love coming in para sa inyo. Wow. Lalo na at magpo-focus rin kayo sa inyong sarili on how to take care of yourself. Kumbaga mag-glow kayo, no? Oo. Anong gender, kahit anong gender to. You will glow up. At once na maalagaan mo yung sarili mo, nag-glow up ka, people will start to notice you. Yung light, yung liwanag sa'yo. And of course, if there are people starting to notice you, then makaka-attract ka ng new relationship or new source of happiness, inspiration. 'Di ba? So para sa mga ano 'yan, single. But if you are in a relationship, pwedeng may patatawarin ka na person or sarili mo para maka-move on ka na. Okay? So that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. Bye.